enjoy. Look at this, cheesy, looks amazing, and definitely gonna taste unbelievable. Welcome to Letscookolet everyone, and today we're going to show you how to make easy cheesy mac and cheese recipe. Now let me begin with the water. Bring the water to boil, and we're gonna begin with the pasta first. So a little bit salt to the boiling water, elbow macaroni in, and we're gonna boil it for 9 to 10 minutes. We're gonna keep it al dente. In the meantime, waiting for the pasta to be ready, we're gonna start making the cheese sauce. So heat on a medium. Gonna begin with half a cup of butter. Butter all melted. I'm gonna add flour. And we're gonna cook it until the flour brown a little bit, so you don't taste the flour in your sauce. Now I'm gonna add the milk, garlic powder, salt and pepper, tomato paste, turmeric, and of course fresh nutmeg. A little bit of pecorino Romano, tomato paste and turmeric. It's gonna give me the perfect cheddar cheese color. Smells so good. Pasta almost ready, turned off. And for the cheese here, I'm using pre-shredded cheese, and I have here medium cheddar cheese. And you can use either or, it's not a problem. Me, I'm gonna use both of them. Now as soon as the roux and the milk start simmering, we're gonna turn off, and we're gonna add all the cheese, the cheddar cheese we just shredded. Mix well. And it's not gonna hurt. I'm gonna add a handful of the pre-shredded cheese. And here I have cheddar cheese and a mozz. So the mozz for stretching and the cheddar for flavoring. Perfect. Nice. Now we're gonna fish out all the elbow macaroni and all pasta in. Now let's give it a quick mix. Now you're gonna say, oh my god, it's too much sauce. No, it's not. Remember, we cook our pasta al dente, so it's still gonna cook in the oven, and the pasta gonna absorb a lot of this sauce. Now make sure your oven preheated on 375, and let's the fun part begin. So we're going to make it 3 layers. So let me begin with the first layer, and a layer of cheese, another layer of macaroni, final layer of mac, final layer of cheese, and ready to go in the oven for about 15 minutes. I kept it in for 5 extra minutes, so in total time was 20 minutes inside. Let's see the result. Look at that beauty. And now time to dig in. The amount of the sauce is just perfect. Not too much sauce, not dry. So, and the color is amazing, smell. Now time to try it out. Wow. Cheesy, full of flavor. The only problem I have with this recipe, when I start eating, I cannot stop. So easy, cheesy mac and cheese, all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.